Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a hot topic: why every developer should learn DevOps. If you're a coder wondering how DevOps fits into your world, or if you're just starting out and want to future-proof your career, this video is for you. We'll break it down with clear explanations and flow diagrams to show how DevOps can transform your workflow. So, let's dive in. First, let's understand what DevOps is and why it matters to developers. What is DevOps and why it matters? DevOps is a set of practices that brings together development and operations teams to improve collaboration and efficiency. Traditionally, developers wrote code, and operations handled deployment and maintenance. But DevOps breaks down those silos, creating a unified process. For developers, this means you're no longer just coding in isolation. You get involved in deployment, testing, and monitoring thanks to tools like Docker, Jenkins, and Kubernetes. The result? Faster releases, fewer bugs, and happier teams. Learning DevOps gives you a holistic view of the software lifecycle, making you more valuable and versatile. But that's just the start. Let's look at the specific benefits. Key benefits for developers. So, why should you, as a developer, invest time in DevOps? Here are 4 big reasons, illustrated with our next diagram. First, DevOps speeds up deployment. With continuous integration and continuous deployment, CI/CD, pipelines, you can push code changes multiple times a day instead of waiting weeks. This means quicker feedback and faster iterations. Second, it boosts collaboration. You'll work closely with ops teams, learning their challenges and sharing your insights. This teamwork reduces miscommunication and builds better software. Third, DevOps sharpens your problem-solving skills. Since you'll handle the entire process, coding, testing, and deployment, you'll catch issues early and learn to fix them efficiently. Finally, it opens career doors. Companies love developers who understand DevOps. It's a skill set that can lead to senior roles, higher pay, and even leadership positions. In 2025, this demand is only growing. How to get started with DevOps. Ready to jump in? Here's how to get started. Our final diagram outlines the steps. Start by learning DevOps fundamentals. Read up on CI/CD, automation, and cloud basics. Next, get hands-on with tools like Git for version control, Docker for containerization, and Jenkins for automation. Then, join a real project or contribute to open source to apply what you've learned. Finally, keep practicing. DevOps is a journey, not a destination, so stay curious and keep building skills. So there you have it, why every developer should learn DevOps. It speeds up your work, improves collaboration, enhances your problem solving, and boosts your career. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned coder, DevOps is a game changer in 2025 and beyond. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell for more tech tips. Have you tried DevOps yet? Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay curious.